Hello everyone, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel Progressive Always. In this video, we are going to study example number 2 of practice set 1.4 of chapter linear equations in two variables. Let's see the solution. First of all, I write given equation as it is. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Now here I separate this 10 from this fraction. 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y. I separated 10 ones are 10 plus here also I separate 2 from here. 2 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. I separated both the numerators and then I write here bracket. I put this fraction in bracket. Okay. Now here I give number 1. Same way second. And 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here also I separate these numerators. 15 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. And here also I put this fraction in bracket and I write here equation number 2. Now here in equation 1 and 2 we got two brackets same. 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x minus y. Now we have to substitute in place of these brackets another variable. Now I write here, put first bracket means x plus y is equal to a, another variable, and second bracket 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. We replaced two brackets by a and b. Now therefore by replacing brackets we get another equation 3 and 4. Now here is 10. In place of this bracket we are writing a plus 2. In place of this bracket we are writing b is equal to 4. And this is equation number 3. And same way in equation number 2. 15 first bracket is equal to a minus 5 second bracket is equal to b is equal to minus 2. Now this is fourth. Now we have to solve equation number 3 and 4. Now we got equation number 3 and 4. We have to equate any one of the variable. Now here we will equate b. It is easy for addition. Equation 3 multiplied by 5 and equation 4 multiplied by 2 means we interchanged coefficients of b. Equation 3 into 5, equation 4 into 2. Now let's multiply equation 3 into 5. 10 5s are 50a plus 2 5s are 10b is equal to 4 5s are 20. See here 10 5s are 2 5s are 4 5s are. Now equation 4 multiplied by 2. Here multiply by 2. 15 2s are 30a minus 5 2s are 10b is equal to 2 2s are 4. Now here 10b minus 10b cancel by adding. We added 10b minus 10b cancel. Now here addition 50 10 5s are 50 and 15 2s are 30. 80a is equal to here 16. A is equal to 16 upon 80. A is equal to, if we reduce by 16, 16 ones are 5s are 1 upon 5. We got the value of a 1 upon 5. To find the value of b, put this value in equation 1. Put a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Now put this value here. 10 multiplied by 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. 5 ones are here, 5 twos are reduction. 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. We get the value of b now. 2b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 divided by 2. b is equal to 1. We got the value of b also. But after finding the values of a and b, we have to resub these values in the step where we have put. Now resub 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. Here we have to resubstitute these values. 1 upon x plus y is equal to a value is 1 upon 5 and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b value is 1. Now take the reciprocals or invertendo. X plus y is equal to 5 here and x minus y is equal to reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. Now we got two new equations, simple equations here. Now we have to solve this. Here number we can give if you want. Equation number I think 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. Here 5 and here 6 I give. Now this 6 example I write here. X minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 6. Now by solving these equations we get values of x and y. Now here plus y minus y again cancel by adding x plus x 2x is equal to 6 here. X is equal to 6 upon 2. X is equal to 3. We got the value of x. One more value we want, that is of y. I continue here. Put x is equal to 3 in equation. Now put in 5 or 6. In equation 5 I put x plus y is equal to 5. Here put value of x. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. And x value 3, y value 2. This is the solution of this equation.